So in the sixth video, now we're going to talk about the power of a product property and also the power of a quotient property. So now we're starting to combine multiple properties to simplify problems. So first of all, the power of a product is if I have a product of two factors inside parentheses raised to a power on the outside, each factor must be raised to that power. So it's similar to the distributor property, but it's a power over a product. So again, if in algebra, if I have a times b to the nth power, then that means the a must be raised to the nth power, and the b must also be raised to that nth power. So, for example, in number 1 here, the 2 has to be raised to the third power, the x to the fourth must be raised to the third power, and the y must be raised to the third power. So now we evaluate 2 to the third is 8. If you notice, x to the fourth all to the third requires us to use the power of a power property, so we simplify that by multiplying those exponents, that's x to the 12th and y to the third. And now that's completely simplified. In this next one, we have a negative 3 in the parentheses, so that negative 3 must be raised to the second power. The x to the negative first must be raised to the second power. And again, the y must be raised to the second power. Well, negative 3 in parentheses raised to an even power is a positive 9. Negative 1 times 2 would be x to the negative second, and then y to the second. Now again, we can't leave a negative exponent, so we have to simplify this by writing it as 9y to the second, and then moving the x exponent downstairs to make it a positive power. And now there's my final answer. All right? So that's using the power of a power property, and then sometimes also, the power of a product property, and then having to use the power of a power property to also help us simplify things.